What's up everybody, today we are here in Philadelphia. We came to watch Brazil's game against Haiti. It was yesterday, we didn't go into the stadium, but we stayed outside. It was a big party, a lot of sports bars. And today we're gonna walk around Philadelphia and do some stuff in here, just explore the city, to see how's the vibe for the World Cup, and also just to get to know some nice places in here. So let's go. So this building right here is the City Hall. It's like very in the center of the city. There's this small soccer field in here. There's like those guys in orange, they are from a soccer school, and there's some nice buildings around here. And we're gonna go this way, going eastbound, just to check some spots that we've seen. There's a nice market to go, and well, what else you can see we don't know. We're gonna just explore. One thing that I like in Philadelphia, I don't know if it's like really from Philadelphia, but like those orange buildings, like brick buildings, they're nice. And street art as well, I like it. I know there are some murals in here in the city, like this one is just a general one, nothing special, but it's nice. And like those buildings, like orange buildings, I like the way they are. And right here we have the love sign, and like going this way we have the FIFA Fan Festival, so a lot of flags from the countries of the World Cup in there. There's a little visitor center in here for informations about the World Cup, and just like a big square in the middle of the city. Here's another love sign, but in Portuguese, amor. We arrived at the Free Library of Philadelphia. There's this Shakespeare Memorial in here, and we also have another museum in there. We came back to the City Hall. This is the back of the building, and we just came to this pretzel factory. Pretzels are really popular here in Philadelphia. I don't know exactly the reason why, but we're gonna try some pretzels just to see if they're really good or not. We also passed by Dunkin' Donuts just to grab a coffee and a drink for Leticia. And this is the medium size, and this is large in Canada for sure. But here is a medium iced coffee, gigantic. So there's a way of passing by the City Hall, and interesting fact, this is the largest municipal building in the US. Interesting, right? It's really big. So we were on the other side, we're crossing to this side, and this is eastbound, and we have some other stuff to see here. We just finished our pretzels, and it was pretty good, very good. Look at this bus station. Come for Philadelphia, stay for Philly, it says there. Really nice. Philly is just a nickname of Philadelphia. You can see there, come for Philadelphia, stay for Philly. What the US can monetize, they're gonna monetize. Like SEPTA is just the public transit of Philadelphia, and they sell t-shirts and stuff like this. This is the building of Pennsylvania Convention Center. There's a hard rock cafe in here. It's a nice guitar just spinning around. And there is like a public market where we are heading right now. The public market is called Reading Terminal Market. There's this entrance in here, and some tables in here, some restaurants, some stuff to see in here. And yesterday there was a concentration of Brazilians in here just warming up for the game, but I didn't record unfortunately. But it was a nice place to be in here before the game. So we are inside the market. There's a lot of stuff in here, some souvenir shops, a lot of restaurants options, and there's a famous sandwich, Philadelphia sandwich called Cheesesteak sandwich. We had it yesterday and it was pretty good, but it's gigantic. We couldn't finish at once, so just stopped here to play this game where I have to score in Leticia, and she has to try to score on me. We're gonna try this to get some freebies around there. Let's go. Go! 1-0.
So your feet is bigger than mine, so it's going to be more difficult for me.
Go! 2-0. Oh! 2-1. The first one that scores 3 wins or 5? Hard game, 2-1, Arthur. Yay, 3-1. So I just got the sunglasses and Letitia got a water bottle for free after playing the game.
Yeah.
Nice, right? But it's too hot.
It was very fun.
Yeah.
First time that I see soccer like this.
Yes, it's just a game.
Yeah.
I don't know the name of this, but well, it's too hot in
I don't
here.
think they have a name for it.
Yeah. This is the line to see the Liberty Bell. I think the main attraction of this museum is the Liberty Bell. And well, it's a very big line. Like, we're not gonna get it, but it's a nice place as well. The Bell of Philadelphia, it's a famous place here. Many people go to this museum just to see this bell. And Philadelphia has a long history here in the United States. It's a very historical city. So it is an interesting place to come if you are interested in this. This is the bell. And this is the line. Too big. We're not gonna go in. We're gonna go keep walking on the street. Now we are coming to a restaurant by the river, Delaware River. There's this bridge in here, and the restaurant is right in front of the river with the view of the bridge. And if I'm not wrong, the other side of the river is New Jersey already. So it's not really a restaurant, but there are some like food trucks in here, and there's the view of the river. It's a nice place to stay, but it's not really a restaurant. But we just got some drinks and water because it's too hot. I wasn't expecting this weather. I mean, I know it gets hot. It gets hot in America, in Philadelphia, but I wasn't expecting too hot like this. But yeah, just stopped here by the bridge, by the water. Some people in the boat saying hi. We just found this passage, and it says here Benjamin Franklin went to and from his house through this original passage. Let's see what we find there. It's just like a kind of an alley. It has some stuff in here, and apparently I think that he used to live in here. There's the Benjamin Franklin Museum there. So in here, in this structure, apparently it was the house of Benjamin Franklin, and in those places we can see fragments of his house. So for example here, have some bricks in there, some history in there. This one used to be the kitchen, and like original bricks from Benjamin Franklin's house. We are back to the market, and now we're gonna have another cheesesteak. That's how they prepare it. It's basically ground beef. There's peppers, onions in there, and it's a massive sandwich. So we're gonna share one because it's too good and it's very traditional from here. So that's why we wanna get it. So this is what a cheesesteak looks like. It is delicious. We had it yesterday, but it didn't record, so now we're having again. Alright? Is it good?
Mano, na moral, velho.
It's really good. People say this is one of the best donuts in Philadelphia. We're gonna try. I just got a Boston cream. Let's see. It's kind of a gastronomical experience we're having here. So let's try this one. We came to the Rocky Balboa statue to have our donuts, and it's so full of people here. Of course, it's a famous place in Philadelphia. And it's nice as well because it's not just the statue, there's a museum, and the view from here is also nice, the skyline of the city. Nice place. Let's see if we can get close to the statue. Skyline of Philadelphia here. And here's the famous statue of Rocky Balboa right in front of this museum. People are lining up here to take a good picture in the statue. I'm pretty sure it's a very popular place here in Philadelphia. And it's nice because of the view as well. It's super cool place, and it's nice because a lot of people are running up, just like recording themselves as Rocky Balboa did in the movie. Very nice. Just left Rocky Balboa's statue, and now we're walking in a nice pathway just by the river.
Yep.
And it's so hot, but now we are going to the train station, where we're gonna take the train to Newark to go back to Quebec City. But here it's a nice walk. I think right there is the station actually. Amtrak is there, like this is the system of trains in the US. I have to cross the bridge. Big station. I wasn't expecting this. Big, right?
Wow.
This is the station, Philadelphia, it's Washington, New York, and our train goes to Boston, but we finish our trip in Newark, and the train is coming here. Pretty nice. So we have just arrived in Newark Airport. We have checked in already, and our trip ends in here. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see each other in the next one. Bye.